How to do invert color flicker transition in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added 2 videos to my timeline. Go to Effects panel and click on Effects. Drag an adjustment clip above your videos in timeline. Right-click on it and choose Change Clip Duration. Click on Frames and set it to 10 frames. Adjust its position so it ends when the first video ends. Now click on Open FX and search for Invert Color. Drag the Invert Color effect into the adjustment clip. Move the playhead to the start of the adjustment clip, select it, open up Inspector panel, and click on Video tab. Set opacity to 0 and click on diamond button next to it to create a starting keyframe. With the right arrow key go forward 1 frame and set opacity to 100 to create another keyframe. Click on this keyframe button at the bottom of adjustment clip to see the keyframes. Select the keyframes, then hold down the Alt key and drag them around to make duplicates from them. If you can't see the keyframes, zoom into timeline by holding Alt and scroll wheel.